I'm so bored. What's that on the dollhouse? What is this? Whoa, what is this? Is this instant snow? Wow, it's instant snow. Who made this? Whoa, this is so amazing. This is amazing. Whoa. What should I do with it? I know. Slime party.
Say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh.
Okay.
I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. I said, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my D, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. But you just beg to see me dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I'm begged to see you dance just one more time. So they say,
This to this. Now let's add the snow. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom. Wow. Now let's mix it. Whoa, this is amazing. It's so pretty. Oh, I just buried it in. There it is. Whoa, this is amazing. Amazing, 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 amazing. Wow. Again. Woo. Dunk it all in. Whoa. Whoa. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Whoa. It's getting sticky. It's getting super sticky. At least I have activator with me. Okay, I see you back once this is slime. Here it is. It's a nice slime. Look how beautiful it is. Look at that. And look at the inside. Do you see all that snow? Look at all that snow. Thank you, Instant Snow, but I still have so much more to play with. Yeah. So this was really fun. Real fun, but kind of messy. It kind of got a little bit on my table, but don't worry, I'll clean it up. Slime is easy to clean up. This slime can easily clean it up. It can pick up all the leftover snows, and yeah, it will be clean. Just have to rub on the table to get all the stuff off. It's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Slime isn't just for playing, it also can help you in life by cleaning and lots of other stuff. Also playing with, but yeah. Woo! So guys, I hope you enjoyed our video. Woo!